And welcome to this lecture. My name is Mustafa. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter account for your blog. So go to twitter.com, put your full name or the name of your blog, for example. Let's say, in this case, let's say just Coupons blog, maybe. Put your email and choose a password name, create, sign up for Twitter. I don't want to do that because I have already, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 accounts. So signing up to Twitter is not that complicated. Just fill this form and click on sign up. Once you do that, you confirm your email and all that good stuff. You want to log in. Put your username or email and your password and click on login. I'm going to show you how to personalize your Twitter account. For the username, you want to choose something related to your blog topic, or you can put just the name you choose for your blog or the URL of your blog here. And the next thing you want to do is to customize your cover and profile picture. The important things you want to include are the description. So you want to copy the description maybe of your blog and put it here. You want to include also the link for your blog. This is very important because it will help you with the traffic generation, and it will give you some backlinks from Twitter. When people visit your profile, they can just click here and go directly to your website. And click on change your cover or header photo. Choose the cover photo of your Facebook page. Click also on change your profile photo and choose your logo, or maybe if your account is personal like this one, for example, you can just put your name and your picture. And finally, click on save changes. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to start getting your first followers. It's very important because that will help you with sending traffic to your blog. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you soon.